Welcome to SkillsUSA Texas. Today we're going to show you how to create a national chapter charter. A national chapter charter is for schools that have never had a SkillsUSA chapter before. This is for new schools with new chapters. If your school already has a charter with SkillsUSA, then you need to go ahead and go to the next video. So today, if you are looking to create a national chapter charter, first thing you're going to need to do is open up a web browser. In your web browser, you're going to type in www.skillsusatx.org. Creating a national chapter charter means that your school is ready to start participating in SkillsUSA. It is the first step in becoming a SkillsUSA school. The SkillsUSA Texas website is a great resource for all chapters across the state of Texas. It has all the information about SkillsUSA Texas. It has About Us, calendars, contests offered, district info, state results, and contest info. If you scroll down, you'll see 3 buttons, and if you keep scrolling down, there's all sorts of information and headlines that the executive director puts up here. We're going to scroll back up to the 3 buttons. The first button is New Chapter. That's where we need to be, so we're going to select that. Now that we're on the New Chapter page, you'll see there's lots of options to choose from. The only one you need to worry about today is forming a new chapter, so go ahead and click that. Just a reminder, this video is only for those who do not have a national charter with SkillsUSA. If you have a national charter with SkillsUSA, please continue to the next video. If you do not have a charter with SkillsUSA, you need to follow these steps to get your school a charter. The first thing you need to do is you're going to fill out an application. You'll need to scroll down on this page and you will see Application for Chapter Charter. You'll need your school's name, the state, your information on the left-hand side, and your administrator's information on the right-hand side. Once you get all this information filled out, you will then fax this information to the state office. If you scroll back up to the first page, you will see Application for Chapter Charter, 1 per school and online. Fax this document to 903-887-7981. Once your school has been added to the national database, you can complete your membership roster online at SkillsUSA-register.org. Once you go to SkillsUSA-register.org, you can click the red Register or Login button. It will take you to the membership login. Since you have never logged into the system before, you're going to create a login. First, you'll choose your state. Make sure you choose Texas High School/Middle. Since you have already been accepted as a school because you turned in your chapter charter, you will then select School, find your school, and you'll select a training program. Select Next. Type in your full name, email address, and your school's website. Enter a desired password, something that you'll remember. And then hit Next. Then you'll have to select a security question. Select the Confirm box and select I'm not a robot. Then select Create Login. Once you have created your login, you'll then be redirected back to the SkillsUSA membership area. You will type in the email that you just used. and type in your password. Once you are logged in, you'll see two separate sections. You'll see membership and conference. The area that we're going to be working in is membership. So go ahead and select membership. Once you get on the membership page, you're going to click add a training program. You're going to select your training program, add your first and last name, add your email address, keep the division as high school, and keep your join type as roster. Click Save. Now you can see that I have added my training program. You can now start adding members. Select the Members button. The first thing you're going to do whenever you go to the Edit Members page is select Add a Member. The first member you're going to add is you. Put in your name. Put in your birthday. Put in your gender. Division, keep it as high school. You're going to have your type of membership as professional. Whenever you enter your students' names in, you're going to put them as student. For your grad year, you can put a 0. For your students' grad year, make sure you put in the year they graduate. You can put your ethnicity in. Type in your email. Put in your address, not your school's address, and add your phone number. Once you get your address and everything filled out, click Save. You'll see it adds you in as a professional member. Now you'll need to add in your student members. So you'll go back to Add Member, put all their information in, just make sure you change their type to student, and click Save. Remember, make sure you put your student's actual address in this field. It will save you so much time whenever you're registering for conferences. After you get all of your members in your membership list, you're going to click Join this program. You can either join by check, purchase order, or credit card. Whatever your school uses, you can do them all. You'll enter your PO numbers by purchase order. And then you can even select combine invoices, where students and professionals are on the same invoice together, or you can split your invoices where students are on one and professionals are on another. Make sure you click the Accept by checking and click Join Now. Once you have you and all your students joined, you can now go in and create your Texas chapter. Let's go back over to the Forming a SkillsUSA Charter document that we started with. We've completed a membership. So the next steps are to send the following to the state office. We need to make sure we send the bylaws from your school, petition for the Texas chapter template, and completed membership roster at skillsusa-register.org. There's no need to print this off. They'll be able to look it up online. You can either send these or fax these documents to the state office. Watch our next video on how to set up a SkillsUSA state chapter. Congratulations, you have now set up a chapter charter for your school, and you are now able to compete in SkillsUSA. If you have any other questions, email your district director. To see who your SkillsUSA Texas district directors are, you can go back to the SkillsUSA Texas website, see district info, and click on your district. Thank you for joining SkillsUSA. We look forward to having you in this amazing organization.